Hello, everyone, and welcome back to the Daily English Stories for Beginners channel. I am so happy you are here today. How are you feeling, everyone?
Hi, Lisa. Hello, everyone. I am feeling wonderful today. The sun is shining, and I have a very, very big cup of coffee right here.
Oh, Mike, you and your coffee. What kind of coffee is it today?
It is a vanilla latte, Lisa. It is sweet, it is warm, and it makes my brain feel very awake.
That sounds delicious. I have my tea right here. It is a green tea, very healthy and very calm.
Healthy is good, Lisa, but coffee is magic.
Maybe you are right, Mike. But wait, before we start our exciting conversation today, we have a small request for our friends at home.
Oh yes, everyone, if you like our stories and you want to help us, please click the like button right now. It is a big help.
Yes, and please subscribe to the Daily English Stories for Beginners channel. We want to make many, many more videos for you.
And don't forget to share this with your friends. If you know someone who is learning English, share the fun. Thank you, everyone.
Thank you, truly. Okay, Mike, are you ready for our topic today?
I am ready. My coffee is ready. Let's go.
Today, everyone, we are talking about a very common but very funny situation. Our theme is the wrong train to nowhere.
Oh no, the wrong train? That sounds like a nightmare, Lisa.
It can be a nightmare, Mike, but for us, it is a great story. Today, we will talk about traveling by train.
I love trains, Lisa. I love the sound of the tracks. Choo, choo. But sometimes train stations are very confusing.
Exactly. There are many signs, many platforms, and many, many announcements. For a beginner in English, it is difficult to understand everything.
Yes, the speakers at the station are sometimes very fast. It is hard to hear the destination.
Destination. That is a good word, Mike. Everyone, your destination is the place where you want to go.
Well, today we are going to talk about when your destination is not where you arrive.
Yes, we have 3 or 4 very funny stories for you today. So sit back, relax, and let's start our train adventure. Okay, Mike, I know you have a story. Tell me about the first time you took the wrong train.
Oh, Lisa, this was many years ago. I was a young man. I wanted to go to the city for a big party. I was very excited.
A party? That sounds fun. Which city were you going to?
I was going to Brighton. It is a beautiful city by the sea. I had my new shoes and my favorite shirt.
You were very handsome, I am sure. So what happened at the station?
Well, the station was very crowded. There were hundreds of passengers. Everyone was running.
Passenger. Everyone, a passenger, is a person who travels on a train. Okay, Mike, so the station was crowded.
Yes, I looked at the big screen. It said Brighton, Platform 4. I ran to Platform 4. A train was there. The doors were closing.
Oh no. Did you jump on?
Yes, I jumped inside. The doors closed behind me. I sat down and I thought, wow, I am so lucky.
You thought you were lucky, but were you?
No. After 10 minutes, the train did not stop. It was going very fast. Then there was an announcement.
An announcement? What did it say?
It said, "This is the express train to Little Village. Next stop, Little Village."
Little Village? Is that near Brighton?
No, it is in the middle of the countryside. It is very far from the sea. I was on the wrong train.
Oh, Mike, the wrong destination. What did you do?
I looked at the passenger next to me. I asked, "Excuse me, is this train going to Brighton?"
And what did they say?
The man looked at me and said, "No, son. This train goes to the farms. There are more cows than people in Little Village."
More cows than people. That is so funny. Did you see the cows?
Yes, when I got off the train at Little Village, it was very quiet. No music, no party, just one old man and 3 cows.
Oh, Mike, you were a lost passenger. Everyone, lost means you don't know where you are.
Yes, I had to wait 2 hours for the next train back to the city. I missed the party, Lisa.
I am so sorry, Mike, but it is a great story. You learn to read the signs more carefully, right?
Oh, yes. Now I read the sign 3 times.
That is a good habit. Okay, everyone, that was Mike's first mistake. But I have a story too.
Really, Lisa? You are always so organized. You made a mistake too?
Yes, Mike, I am human. This happened last year. I was in London. I wanted to go to a small station called Sunnyvale.
Sunnyvale. That sounds like a nice place.
It is. I was very tired that day. I was working a lot. I went to the platform. I saw a train.
Did you check the screen, Lisa?
I did. The screen said local train, stops at all stations, including Sunnyvale.
So it was the right train?
Wait, Mike. I entered the train. I sat down. I put on my headphones. I was listening to music.
Music is dangerous at the station.
Yes, I was relaxing. I saw many stations. Station 1, Station 2, Station 3. Then I saw Sunnyvale.
Yay, you arrived.
No, I stood up to go to the door, but the train did not stop. It went faster and faster.
What? Why did it not stop?
Because it was an express train. The sign on the platform was wrong. Or maybe the train changed.
Oh my goodness. So you saw your station, but you could not get off?
Exactly. I saw the sign Sunnyvale zip by my window. Whoosh.
That is terrible. Like a ghost train.
Yes, I was so frustrated. Everyone, frustrated means you are a little angry because something is difficult.
I understand. So where did you go?
The next stop was 30 minutes away. It was a very big station. I had to buy another ticket to go back.
Did you have to pay the fare again?
Yes, the fare. Everyone, the fare is the price of the ticket. I had to pay £10 more.
10 pounds. That is a lot of money for a mistake.
Yes, but the ticket inspector was very nice. He said, "Don't worry, it happens to many people."
Ticket inspector. Everyone, that is the person in a uniform who checks your ticket. They are usually very helpful.
Yes, he was. He showed me the right platform for the local train. This time, I did not use my headphones.
Good idea, Lisa. Eyes open, ears open.
Exactly. Okay, Mike, story number 3. This one is about a vending machine.
Oh no, I hate vending machines. They are so complicated.
Vending machine. Everyone, this is the machine at the station where you buy your ticket. Mike, tell us what happened.
Well, I was in a hurry. I needed a ticket to the airport. I went to the vending machine.
Was it an English machine?
Yes, it was, but the words were very small. I saw single ticket, and I saw season pass.
A season pass? Everyone, a season pass is a ticket for 1 month or 1 year. It is very expensive.
Yes, I was clicking buttons very fast. Click, click, click. The machine asked, "Are you sure?" And I clicked, "Yes."
Oh, Mike, I can guess what happened.
The machine made a loud noise. Brrr. Then it asked for my credit card. I saw the price. It was £200.
200 pounds for one trip?
No, I bought a gold season pass for the whole year. I did not want a year. I wanted one day.
200 pounds. Mike, that is a very expensive mistake.
I was so shocked. I did not pay. I stopped, but a man behind me in the line was very angry.
Why was he angry?
He said, "Hurry up, the train is coming." I was nervous. My hands were shaking.
Oh, Mike, traveling can be very stressful. Everyone, stressful means it makes you feel worried.
Yes. In the end, I had to go to the ticket office. I spoke to a real person.
A human. That is much better.
Yes. I said, "Hello, I am a little confused. I want a single ticket to the airport, please."
And was it easy?
It was so easy. The lady was very kind. She gave me the ticket for only £15.
15 pounds is much better than 200.
Yes, I saved 185 pounds. I was very happy.
That is a great lesson. Everyone, if you are confused by the machine, look for the ticket office. It is safer.
Exactly. Don't be afraid to speak to a person. It is good English practice, too.
I agree. Okay, Mike, one more story. This one is my favorite. It is about sleeping.
Oh, the Sleeping Beauty story. This is embarrassing, Lisa.
Don't be embarrassed. Everyone sleeps on the train. Tell us, Mike.
Okay, I was traveling late at night. It was 11 o'clock. I was coming home from work. I was very, very tired.
I understand. Night trains are very quiet and warm.
Yes, the train was almost empty. I sat in a corner. I closed my eyes for just 1 minute.
Just 1 minute, Mike?
Well, maybe it was more than 1 minute. I fell fast asleep. I was dreaming about pizza.
Pizza? You love food, Mike. So what happened when you woke up?
I woke up and it was very dark. The train was not moving. The lights were low.
Oh no. Were you at your station?
No, I looked out the window. I saw a big sign. It said, "Depot, final stop."
The depot? Everyone, the depot is like a garage for trains. It is where trains go to sleep.
Yes, I was at the final stop of the line, and the train was finished for the night.
Mike, you were locked in the train?
Almost. I ran to the door. I pushed the button, but the door did not open. I was panicked.
Panicked. Everyone panicked means you are very, very scared and you don't know what to do.
I started knocking on the window. Hello? Is anyone there?
Did anyone hear you?
Yes. A security guard with a flashlight saw me. He looked very surprised.
I bet he was. What did he say?
He opened the door and said, "Sir, the party is over. Why are you sleeping in the dark?"
Oh my, that is so funny. The party is over.
I felt so silly. I had to call a taxi. The taxi was very expensive because the depot was 40 miles from my house.
40 miles? That is a long taxi ride.
Yes, it was the most expensive sleep of my life.
Well, everyone, I think we have a big lesson today.
Yes, don't sleep on the train if you are near your station.
And always check the destination. Train travel is wonderful, but it can be an adventure you didn't plan.
That's true, Lisa. But these mistakes make us better English speakers because we have to ask for help and explain our problems.
Exactly. Mistakes are just lessons in disguise. Wow, Mike, those were some amazing stories. I feel like I have been on many trains today.
Me too, Lisa. My brain is a little tired now, but I am very happy.
Before we go, everyone, let's think about the words we used today. This is our word tour.
I love the word tour. Let's start.
Word number 1 is platform. Everyone, the platform is the place where you wait for the train. For example, the train to London is at platform 9.
Word number 2 is destination. This is the place you want to go. For example, my destination is the beach.
Word number 3 is announcement. This is the information you hear on the speaker. For example, listen to the announcement. The train is delayed.
Word number 4 is passenger, a person traveling on the train. There are many passengers today.
Word number 5 is vending machine. The machine for tickets. I bought my ticket at the vending machine.
Word number 6 is express train, a fast train that does not stop at every station. Be careful, this is an express train.
Word number 7 is fare, the price of the ticket. The train fare is very high this morning.
Word number 8 is final stop, the last station on the line. Don't sleep or you will arrive at the final stop.
Great job, Mike. These words are very useful for everyone who wants to travel.
Yes, practice these words, everyone. Use them in a sentence in your head.
That is a great habit. Maybe you can imagine you are at a big station in London or New York.
Yes, imagine you are a passenger and you are looking for your platform. It's fun.
Well, everyone, we have come to the end of our episode. We hope you enjoyed The Wrong Train to Nowhere.
It was so much fun. I hope you learned some new words and laughed at my silly mistakes.
Now, we have a question for you. We want to hear your stories.
Yes, tell us in the comments below. Have you ever taken the wrong train or bus? Where did you go?
Or tell us, what is your favorite way to travel? Do you like trains or planes or cars?
We love reading your comments. They make us very happy, and we promise to reply to as many as possible.
Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel, Daily English Stories for Beginners.
And share it with your family. Learning English is a journey. Let's do it together.
Keep going, everyone. You are doing a great job. Your English is getting better every day.
Stay curious and keep practicing. We will see you in the next episode.
Goodbye, everyone.
Bye-bye. See you soon.
Have a safe journey.